Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the background of a clip in the CapCut app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the CapCut app. And here it usually opens up in the home menu where we have our projects. And then from here we have to select the project that we want to edit. Let's tap on it. And then when we are in the editing menu, we can just tap on the clip that we want to edit. Then scroll right in the bottom bar, and then we find the cutout button. If we tap on this, then after we select remove background, the computer is going to analyze the clip and remove the parts that are considered as a background in the clip. Here it isn't very obvious what part of the clip is the background, but if you have a more obvious clip, then it is going to perform better. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful, you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.